SC reprimands TN Gunner. The Supreme Court criticized Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi for delaying action on and reserving 10 state bills for the president. Unconstitutional action. The court deemed the governor's reservation of bills for the president's consideration unconstitutional. Article 200 focus. The case highlights the interpretation of Article 200, which outlines the governor's powers regarding state bills, assent, withhold, reserve for precedent. Governor's limited discretion. The SC clarified that the governor must act on the advice of the Council of Ministers and cannot indefinitely delay bills or exercise an absolute veto. Timelines introduced. The Supreme Court, for the first time, established specific timelines for governors to act on bills. 1 month to withhold assent or reserve for precedent, with com advice. 3 months to return bill if withholding assent without com advice. 1 month to give assent after the bill is repassed. Judicial review. Governor inaction within these timelines will be subject to judicial review. The SC can use Article 142 to declare bills as deemed to have received assent. Democratic principles reaffirmed. The court emphasized that governors should not obstruct the legislative process. They should facilitate governance, not paralyze it. Repassed bills. A governor cannot reserve a repassed bill for the president unless its content has materially changed. Delayed assent concerns. Delays in granting assent undermine legislative autonomy and can spark judicial scrutiny. Presidential action. If a bill is reserved for the president may assent, withhold assent, Article 201, or direct the governor to return it to the assembly.